Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the stars? Those twinkling lights seem so distant, and they are. But some are closer than others. Today, we're taking a cosmic road trip to meet our closest stellar neighbors, the 10 closest stars to Earth. The vastness of space is hard to comprehend. We measure these distances in light years, the distance light travels in 1 year. Our own star, the Sun, is obviously the closest, a mere 8 light minutes away. But beyond the Sun, the distances get much larger. Let's begin our countdown. At number 10, we have Proxima Centauri. Part of the Alpha Centauri system, it's a red dwarf star and currently the closest known star to our Sun, at roughly 4.24 light-years away. It even has a planet. Moving up the list, we encounter fascinating stars like Barnard's star, a fast-moving red dwarf, and Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky. Many of these are red dwarfs, smaller and cooler than our Sun. Some, like Sirius, are binary systems, meaning they have 2 stars orbiting each other. Others, like Epsilon Eridani, are known to have planets, sparking our curiosity about the potential for life beyond Earth. The Alpha Centauri system deserves a closer look. It's a triple star system. Alpha Centauri A and B are similar to our Sun, while Proxima Centauri is the small red dwarf we mentioned earlier. The discovery of a planet orbiting Proxima Centauri has made this system a prime target in the search for extraterrestrial life. Studying these nearby stars is a challenge. They're incredibly faint, and their distances are immense. Astronomers use powerful telescopes and sophisticated instruments to observe them, gathering data about their composition, temperature, and any planets that might be orbiting them. The search for exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars, is one of the most exciting areas of astronomy. Several of the stars on our list are known to host planets, raising the tantalizing possibility of finding life beyond our solar system. Our Sun, while vital to us, is just an average-sized star. Many of the stars we've discussed are smaller and cooler, while others, like Sirius A, are larger and hotter. This diversity in size and temperature influences the types of planets they can host and the potential for life to evolve. So, next time you look up at the night sky, try to find some of these celestial neighbors. They might seem distant and faint, but they're our closest stellar companions, offering valuable insights into the universe and our place within it. Imagine what it would be like to live on a planet orbiting one of these nearby stars. What would the sky look like? Would there be other planets visible? These are the questions that drive astronomical research and fuel our imaginations. The universe is full of wonders, and our closest stellar neighbors are just the beginning. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep looking up.